Hi there, welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So the other day, Memorial Day weekend, we had all the kids over. We had Jennifer's dad over. All the grandkids are here. It was really fun, but it was really loud and it was hectic. And the reason I tell you that is because I was downstairs. I was getting something for the party, and my wife and I have an old time candy machine. So on one side there's one candy, and on the other side, and you put a quarter in and turn it, we have M&Ms. And the kids love these M&Ms, and Grandpa loves the M&Ms too. So I'm down there and the house is so loud, and I'm downstairs. You can't hear anything. It's crazy. And I simply turned this to get these, and one of my little granddaughters said, up in all that noise, said to Grandma, I heard up there, why is Grandpa in the M&Ms? Yeah, she turned me in. And it was just so funny. We laughed a lot. And the thing that's crazy is, why did she hear that? In all that noise. She didn't hear anything else. Could have yelled her name. She probably wouldn't have turned around. It's because she was listening for that. It was important to her. Well, it's funny, when I used to drive around with Jennifer, I used to always point out different places I'd like to clean or bid on. I'd say, boy, we clean that, and we clean that facility, we clean that building. Oh, I'd love to clean that building. Or that would be a perfect place for us to bid on. Why? Why did I see that? Because I was looking for that subconsciously. And so I guess I just wanted to share that with you. You know, it's a powerful, powerful thing. So if we can set our minds on what we're listening for or what we're looking for in our business, we may just hear it and see it. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.